If you want to learn how to create custom stickers in Telegram, this video will walk you through the full process step by step in a simple and easy way. Custom stickers are a fun way to personalize your chats, share your own designs, and make your messages stand out. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to upload an image, turn it into a sticker, and save it into your own sticker pack. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your device and use the search bar at the top to search for @stickers. This is the official Telegram stickers bot, and it's the tool we need to create our custom sticker pack. Once you find it, click on the official Telegram stickers bot from the results. Make sure you choose the correct one so you can continue without any issues. After the bot opens, click Start to begin. This will activate the sticker creation tools and bring up the options you need. Next, from the mini app called Stickers, click Create Sticker Pack. This is where the actual sticker pack setup begins. Telegram will now guide you through the process of building your own pack from scratch. After that, click Add Stickers. This tells Telegram that you want to start adding images into the pack. Then click Upload Stickers so you can choose the image file from your computer. When your file browser opens, find the image you want to use and double-click it. Telegram will upload it and prepare it to be turned into a sticker. Once the image is uploaded, you'll need to enter a sticker pack name. Choose a name that makes sense for your stickers, because this is how your pack will be identified later. After typing the name, click Create to continue. Now Telegram will ask you to add an emoji for the sticker. This emoji helps classify the sticker and makes it easier to organize and use. If you're on Windows, you can open the emoji picker by pressing the Windows key and the period key together. That will bring up the emoji panel so you can quickly choose the one that matches your sticker best. Select the emoji you want, then save your changes. Once you click Save, your custom sticker will be added to the pack and your Telegram sticker set will be ready to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to create custom stickers in Telegram in just a few simple steps. You can repeat the same process to add more stickers and build a full sticker pack with your own style. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.